Hey, when fried chicken is not on your plan, but that's exactly what you want. Let me show you how to make some quick, easy, delicious fried chicken, nice and crispy, that you're gonna love, that is on your plan. I'll bet you. Come on with me and I'll show you how. Grab up the frying pan of your choice. We're going to use grapeseed oil today. That's usually my choice for cooking. Just cover the bottom of your pan. I use grapeseed oil because of its nutritional value, but also because it can take very high heat without turning rancid, which is very important to know. All right, so we're going to start with some organic chicken breast. We're going to make some fried chicken tenders today. And I'm going to coat these with almond flour and flaxseed. Now, I'm not going to show you all the measurements of this. I just kind of throw things together, y'all. I'm sorry, but just kind of toss in some granulated garlic, maybe some chopped onions. You can kind of do your thing, actually. I'm going to try out this 21 Salute. It's kind of a seasoned mixture that I get from Trader Joe's. You can use whatever seasonings you want. I use thyme or rosemary a lot with chicken. All right, so like I said, I'm not giving you really any measurements, but just enough to coat your chicken pieces, and probably a tablespoon of each one of those spices is good enough to throw in there. You know, just kind of throw in what you want to. You really can't mess this up, honestly. So just cut up your chicken into like little tenders, little bite-sized piece of chicken. And we're going to coat those in a egg and almond milk mixture that I'm going to show you in just a second. So you'll just dip in the egg and milk mixture, then dip in the flour mixture. I use unsweetened almond milk. Almond Breeze is just one brand. You can do whatever. And then one egg is probably enough for this. You can actually put your salt and pepper in this egg and milk mixture, and that would even be better than adding any extra salt and pepper to your almond flour. All right, so we're going to just dip, like I said, in the egg and then the flour, then put it in your pan. I had my oil heating to high. Once it's sizzling in there good, I'm going to turn it down. Now, I need a couple of side dishes to go with this. So I've checked my refrigerator. I've got a couple of leftovers, some stewed potatoes that still have the skins on there. John wants some potato salad. I use Duke's mayonnaise usually, but you can use grapeseed oil-based or vegan-friendly mayonnaise if you want to. And then I'm going to heat up some collard greens as well. All right, so I have 2 packed meals ready to go, or grab and go. And then we also have extras for dinner or to grab and go out of the fridge or to do even something different with. So I can give you my recipe for potato salad later. It's always a hit, I promise. So anyway, thanks so much for watching my videos, and I hope that I'm giving you some great options for healthier cooking and healthy lifestyle. Come back and watch next video.